Instead of adding individual files manually, you can let VS Code find the right files from your code base automatically. This can be useful when you don't know which files are relevant to your question or prompt. Make sure to enable this setting to get the best result. You can find the settings by clicking on Copilot, Settings, Code Base. So this code search setting needs to be enabled from Copilot. So what we want to do is to find out the database connection string in my workspace folder. This is my demo project, and I have covered multiple tutorials on SQL Server, SQLite, MySQL, and PostgreSQL for database connectivity. Let me show you where is the connection string. You can see in the first file, we have the connection string here. In the second file, we have here. Third, we have here. On fourth, we have here. So in chat, you can explicitly refer to context by typing hash followed by the context item you want to mention. This enables the AI to provide more relevant response based on the specific context you are referring to. Either you click on add context, tools, and code base and type your question or prompt. Or you can refer code base with hash in your question or prompt. Type where is the database connection string configured and type hash. You can see that we have code base. Just select it and press enter. So let's see the magic. It started showing you the result, right? It got the connection string in the first file, that is SQLite demo. Second, we have SQL Server demo. In PostgreSQL, we have another connection string, and the last connection string we are getting in this MySQL demo file. So it is also saying that the database connection string in your code base are configured directly within the Python script, not in a separate configuration file. So it created the summary as well. All connection strings are hard coded in the respective Python script, not in external config file. If you want to centralize or externalize these settings, consider using configuration file like ini.env or JSON and loading them in your scripts. So that is the good suggestions given by the Copilot.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.